How to manage open trades on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to manage open trades on Forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Once you have placed a trade on Forex.com, go to your open position on your Forex.com website or your app. Once you're into the app, now tap on open position or open position tab on your dashboard. After you click on it, here you will see active trades including the symbol, trade size, entry price, and current profit or loss. To manage a trade, tap on it to view details. You can modify a stop loss or take profit by levels. Now click on pencil icon. This lets you lock in profits or protect against losses based on your price movement. You can also close the trade manually anytime. Just tap the close or cross icon if you're done with that trade. Make sure to check the current market condition before closing it. Managing trades also means watching your margin level and available balance. These are shown on the main dashboard so you can avoid unexpected margin calls. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.